Assalamu alaikum. This episode covers the topic cache memory. This topic is from the syllabus of CS certificate level, chapter 3. Shall discuss about the cache memory here. About the cache memory. Cache memory frequently uses data and instructions temporarily to improve system performance. It is considered as a part of primary memory. It is closer to the CPU than the main memory. It improves overall speed and performance of a computer system by reducing the time needed to access data from slower main memory RAM. RAM means random access memory. Cache memory is usually integrated directly into chip or placed on a separate chip that is connected to the CPU with a high-speed bus. There are multiple levels of cache memory, including level 1 and level 2. Level 1 cache is located inside the CPU, while L2, that's mean level 2 cache, can be inside or outside the CPU. Now we shall test our learning outcomes from previous slides. The first MCQ is write-through in cache memory refers to option A, data is written directly to both the cache and main memory. Option B, data is written in main memory directly without involving cache memory. Which one is correct answer? That's mean the term write-through in cache memory refers to what? Option 1, data is written directly to both the cache and main memory. Option B, data is written in main memory directly without involving cache memory. The correct answer is A. Write-through in cache memory refers to data is written directly to both the cache and main memory. Next question. Which statement is correct? Level 2 cache memory is closer to the CPU, or level 1 cache memory is closer to the CPU? Which one is correct? Correct answer is option B. Level 1 cache memory is closer to the CPU. Next question. The memory technology used in cache memory, option A, SRAM, that means static random access memory. Option B, flash memory. Which one is correct answer? The memory technology used in cache memory, whether SRAM or flash memory, the correct answer is option A. Static random access memory, shortly SRAM, the memory which is used in cache memory as a memory technology. Cache hit happens. Option A, when CPU's required data is found in cache memory. Option B, when data is written in main memory. That's mean cache hit happens when option 1, when CPU's required data is found in cache memory. Option B, when data is written in main memory. The correct answer is option A. When CPU's required data is found in cache memory, cache hit happens. Next question. Primary purpose of cache memory is option A, to store data permanently. Option B, to increase processing speed. Which one is correct answer? Primary purpose of cache memory is to store data permanently or to increase processing speed. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is option B. To increase processing speed is the primary purpose of cache memory. Thank you very much. That's the end of this episode.